Hello and welcome back to today's morning report on Tuesday the 21st of April with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Tech Markets. I'm going to look at Euro-Dollar now, and this Euro chart had this pop to the upside 3 or 4 days of decent gains, but once more the rally has rolled over. A couple of bearish candles in a row now, and it looks like the bears have got control once again. RSI consistently falling over around that 50 point. MACD lines consistently underneath the neutral level, and even the stochastics have rolled over around that 50 mark. So it doesn't look great. Just continues this whole outlook I've got of any sort of near-term bounce as a chance to sell, because this medium to longer term is very much a bearish outlook. Now, near term, this is the hourly chart. You've got the Fibonacci levels of that big sell-off from 110.35 down to 105.19. So that sort of a 500 pip sell-off. Now, the Fibonacci retracement of that, 61.8%, pretty much hit that reaction high and held it back, so that's fine. You then went quickly through the 50%, but the 38.2% created a bit of support. If I zoom in, 38.2% around that 107.16 mark. Provided a bit of support in the last couple of days, but bang, that's gone today. It really has gone, and that sort of now confirms this top pattern that I've been seeing, that head and shoulders top pattern from a low of 107.35 up to 108.50 area. So measured that 115 pips measured downwards from 107.35 gives you 106.20. Interesting that that sort of coincides with this low on the 16th of April here. And also not a million miles away from 23.6%, so the fact that we've burst straight through 38.2% would suggest we're probably now going to test 23.6% as well, so that's only 30-40 pips away. And the target of 106.20 is also around about 50 pips away from where we are, 50-60 pips. So there is still downside potential in this move, and I'd be looking at any rallies as a chance to sell. You've got the RSI, which maybe near term has just sort of popped sort of from a little bit oversold, so maybe that needs to unwind to a very near term certain extent. But I'd be using any rally back towards that sort of 38.2% fib level of 107.20 area. I'd be using that as a big chance to sell. That's only 40 pips away from here, so that would unwind the euro a little bit and then give it another chance to go from further downside. I think once again rallies are a chance to sell. So I wish you good luck in your trading on the euro today. Don't forget the ZEW at 10 o'clock. That could have an impact. Certainly the recent ZEW numbers have been positive for the euro, and that could give you that pop to the upside that would give you a chance to sell. So thank you very much, and I'll speak to you later.